Hi, Len here. Welcome to another episode. So last episode I was doing a bit of framing, so getting dwangs in, rebuilding walls and things, so the plumbers could get in there. So plumbers are here and we've got a whole bunch of windows laying all over the place. So we're trying to get them out of the way so they don't get damaged. So we've got a whole bunch of wrap to do, so we're sort of wrapping bits of the house and then getting those windows in and progressing around. So it's a little bit chaotic, but that way we get as many windows out as quickly as possible. So let's crack on, eh? Yesterday we went around with the laser and marked the heights, so we get the heights of all the windows and doors the same. It's always a good start. Someone packed this door right. So you see here how the gap's not even, so it means I need to take this corner up slightly. There you go, that looks pretty good. Come back here. Pets. One of the steps I haven't shown previously doing windows is actually screwing it down. So get screwed down into the concrete, and Heath is going to do that shortly. I think he's going around and doing it at the moment. And then of course one's bars and all that, but you guys don't need to see that. Will the chalk line be alright? Chalk line? Yeah, I got one on it. And there we have it, screws at 450s, the same as the sides in the top. Alrighty, so we've got an air conditioning unit to go up in the ceiling. That was a variation, I believe. So the trusses weren't designed to take that, so what we've got to do is modify this truss up here so that we can fit that up there. Now you can't just go doing that willy-nilly, so we've gone back to the truss detailer and they've come up with a solution on their fancy computer so that we can make it work. So we need to cut out these three webs. This is a load bearing wall and that vertical web transfers the load down. So by getting rid of that and putting that scab on there, it transfers the load back to the outside walls. It just pulls them together, so when I nail it, it's nice and tight. Another thing in the detail is you need 2 rows of nails every 100 mils. So it's a lot of nails holding it together. So it basically makes it into one piece of timber. That's all nailed off now, so now I need to cut off those 3 webs. Now I'm going to put a wee scab on the truss either side so that we can have a little platform for that air conditioning unit. Alrighty, job done. Boss is happy. That was the boss giving me a hand getting it up there. And it's time to finish this episode. I'm off home shortly. Thanks for watching. Before I go, check out this view again, eh?